Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Forms in an HTML website. If you want to collect information directly from your website's visitors, embedding a Google Form is one of the easiest way to do it. Whether you're gathering signups, feedback, or customer inquiries, embedding Google Forms in your HTML website ensures a smooth user experience. And here's how you can do it. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to create and customize your Google form, and you can do that by going to forms.google.com and make sure you sign in using your Google account's credentials. Now once you sign in, go and to start a new form section and click on blank form to create a new form. Now after that, make sure you give a title to your form and a short description describing the form and its purpose. Once you do that, add relevant fields and customize the form's theme to match your website. You can add these fields by clicking on the plus button, and you can add areas for name, email, phone number, etc. You can also customize the form's theme by clicking on the color palette and changing these options right here. Now once you do that, the second step is to get the empt code, and to do that, just click on the three dots here on the top right corner and then click on empt HTML. Now as you can see here, you can copy this iframe code by clicking on the copy button, and just like that your iframe code is copied to the dashboard. Now the third step is to insert the empt code into your website, and to do that, open your HTML file and find the location where you want to empt the form. After that, paste the copied iframe code from the clipboard and then adjust the width and height to fit in with your website design. As for the fourth step, save and test your website. After you do that, save the HTML file and open your website in a browser. And after that, test the form to ensure it submits responses correctly. The fifth step is to monitor responses in Google Sheets. And to do that, Google Forms automatically records responses in Google Sheets. You just have to click on the link to Sheets. As you can see here, there are the sections for the questions, and you can view the responses by clicking on this section dedicated for the responses. As you can see, this form has 0 responses, but if your form if people answered your form, you're gonna find the responses here. You can click on the link to Sheets to link to Google Sheets, which will automatically analyze the responses and put them in a CSV file you can download after that. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your Google form is live on your website, making it easy to collect responses from visitors. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.